Good day, everyone. So, for today, we will be presenting a famous Filipino in the field of science, and the person we chose is Edgardo Gomez. Out of all Filipino scientists, siya yung napili namin because his work is very relevant, especially sa country natin na napapalibutan ng dagat. And hindi lang siya basta scientist. He is someone who really made an impact in protecting marine life, particularly coral reefs, which are very important sa ecosystem natin. So sino nga ba si Edgardo Gomez? He was born on September 7, 1938, here in the Philippines. At a young age, na-expose na siya sa science, and eventually, he took up biology at the University of the Philippines. Habang tumatagal, mas nag-focus siya sa marine science, which is the study of oceans and marine organisms. Hindi lang siya naging successful as a student, but he also became a professor. So imagine, hindi lang siya natututo, he also shares his knowledge sa next generation. And aside from that, he became an environmental advocate, meaning he actively worked to protect nature, not just study it. Now, para mas maintindihan natin yung importance ng work niya, let's first think about this. The Philippines is known as one of the countries with the richest marine biodiversity in the world. Pero at the same time, isa rin tayo sa pinaka-vulnerable when it comes to environmental damage. So dito papasok yung role ni Edgardo Gomez.
One of his biggest contribution is leading the first nationwide assessment of coral reefs in the Philippines. Meaning, pinag-aaralan nila kung kaano kalawak yung damage sa coral reefs and kung ano yung current condition nito. And through that study, discover na maraming coral reefs ang already damaged because of pollution, illegal fishing, and human activities.
And this is important because coral reefs are not just designs sa ilalim ng dagat. They actually serve as homes for thousands of marine species. So if masisira yung coral reefs, parang nawala ng tirahan yung mga isda at ibang marine life. Which means, maapektuhan din yung food supply natin, especially for fishermen.
Another major contribution niya is Giant Clam Conservation Project. Before this project, giant clams were almost extinct in the Philippines because of overharvesting. And what he did is he helped create programs to protect and breed giant clams para dumami ulit sila. Because giant clams are very important. They help maintain the balance of marine ecosystem. So dahil sa project na ito, naibalik ulit yung populasyon nila and hanggang ngayon, protected pa rin sila.
So now, let's talk about why his contributions are important to society. First, he helped restore coral reefs. Through his research and programs, nagkaroon ng awareness and actions para protektahan ng reefs.
Second, he helped protect biodiversity, meaning he made sure that different species in the ocean will continue to exist and not become extinct. This is important kasi everything in nature is connected. Kapag may nawala, may chain effect.
And third, he raised environmental awareness. Dahil sa kanya, mas naging aware ang government, scientists, and even ordinary people about the importance of protecting marine ecosystems.
And if we look at it in real life, hindi lang siya about science. His work helps fishermen na umaasa sa dagat for their livelihood. Helps communities na dependent sa marine resources, and more importantly, it helps future generation like us because we still be able to protect the experience and benefits from healthy oceans.
Because of his contributions, Edgardo Gomez became one of the pioneers of marine science in the Philippines. He inspired many students to pursue science, especially in environmental and marine fields. And his work also influenced policies and programs related to environmental protection.
So kung iisipin natin, history teaches us something important. Science is not just about studying or discovering things, it's also about using that knowledge to solve real-world problems and to protect what we have.
And in a time where environmental issues are becoming more serious, the work of people like Edgardo Gomez becomes even more valuable because they remind us that change is possible as long as someone takes the first step.
So for us, Edgardo Gomez is not just about scientists. He is someone made a real difference not just in science but in people's lives and in the future of our environments.
Once again, this is Edgardo Gomez, a Filipino scientist who proved that protecting our oceans is protecting our future.